In this video, we're going to be replacing the PVC valve on this '06 Ford F150. This is the old part, and I'm going to show you where it's located and how to change it out. Very simple. So when you pop your hood, you're looking at the front of the truck on the passenger side. It's going to be right here. You're going to have this tube that's running through here. This is the new one I've already put in, but in order to take this tube off, you have these little clips. The line is green. Simply push that tab back, lift that part off. Now you have access to the valve. I got this at AutoZone. You can get it online, wherever your part stores around your home. And it's very simple. You can take you some pliers and just simply a couple of turns is all it needs, and you can take the rest of it out by hand. Stick the new one in. Put the hose back on until it locks. You just replaced your PCV valve within 5 minutes. If you think this video is useful, hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to share. I hope this does help somebody. With that being said, you have a blessed day.